Hey there, my friends. Welcome to the email processing system. My name is 𝐸𝐻𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸, and I'm going to take a few quick moments, so stay tuned. I'm going to go over the email processing system, what it is, how you can get started with this awesome, simple, newbie-friendly system, and you can start profiting online, all right? So let's jump right into it. So the email processing system, this is an introductory presentation of everything you need to know about the email processing system, also known as EPS, okay? This is not an MLM. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is not a scam or cash gifting. There is no cold calling or sales. This is just simply a simple way to make money online. It's 100% legitimate opportunity, and this opportunity is wonderful because it is a member-to-member instant pay program. What does that mean? That means that when somebody joins you, you get paid instantly through the payment processor of your choice, which most people use PayPal or Payza. Okay, so direct to you. No waiting for anyone to cut you a check. No waiting for a company. No waiting until Thursday or Wednesday, whenever a company decides that they're gonna shoot out commissions. You get paid that day. Okay, so that is wonderful. It's a great way to have a cash machine. That's it. All right, so let's go over what the system is. Let me move myself down here. Okay, so email processing system, it was launched in 2010. It was created by a husband and wife team, and their goal was to simply create a copy and paste system to help other people make money from home. Okay, so if you look at this graphic up here, how easy is this? Okay, so you copy our pre-made advertisements, you post the ads on free sites, which we show you where they are, and you get cash. Okay, all right. So you will post in places like Craigslist, Backpage, Facebook, social media, and we show you, we give you what to post, and we also show you where to post. Okay. Now, here's how it works. When your leads join you, you'll get leads from these sites as you post your ads from Craigslist, Backpage, Facebook, social media. When your leads join you, you simply send them their digital purchase with instructions on how to get started and plug them into our support group. Now, what does what is your purchase when you join us? What do you get? All right. When you join us at the $25 level or higher, your payment is to purchase a membership. Okay. That membership includes all of the copy and paste ads, the pre-made advertisements. It includes top digital marketing training. Okay, so every package, 25, 50, and 100 level, has additional digital marketing training showing you how to win in the social media arena. This training is so amazing that people have sold training that is similar to this for hundreds of dollars, and you can get this for a one-time payment of $25, $50, or $100. All right, so again, your payment is to purchase a membership. It includes all of the copy and paste pre-made advertisements. It includes top digital marketing training. It includes access to our team support group. So we have a online support group where you can get your questions answered, where you can see other people on the team winning, where you can get tips on what what to do and things like that. Some opportunities you just don't have any support, and ours is built in the support group. Okay, and then you get reseller access. So that means that once you get your membership, you can now offer this opportunity to other people and profit as well. All right. And you also have the option to purchase a $13 website just like mine for a one-time fee that includes hosting. Okay. All right. So what makes EPS a no-brainer? Well, first of all, with email processing system, it is a one-time fee. You never pay the fee again. There's no auto ship, no monthly auto ships or fees, no admin fees, things like that. There's training and support is included. Okay, it's included in your membership. It's 100% commissions direct to you, paid to you instantly. Again, no waiting for nobody to cut a check, no getting a percentage of a sale. Your money is paid to you instantly. All right. Because of the price point of this program is so affordable for other people to join you And also, because you're paying one time, you can get in profit mode ASAP. Okay, as early as your first sale, you could be in profit mode. Okay, and the income potential is unlimited. Okay, if you can cut and paste, you can get in profit mode and win with this system. All right, so let me just show you. Let me move this, move myself again. Give me a second. What I want to show you right now is that your income is unlimited. Okay, I'm going to show you some of the potential earnings. All right, so first of all, you can join at the $25, $50, or $100 level, and these $25 per email adds up really fast. Okay, again, it's paid directly to your PayPal. So let's do a little bit of math. If you process 3 emails a day, you would be earning $25 per email, and your daily income be $75. Okay. So let's say you process 5 a day, you would be again earning $25 per email minimum, and your daily income would be $125, and it goes on and on and on. So this is truly unlimited. Okay, so what I want you to do is calculate for yourself what extra income would truly help you change your life circumstances. What would help you change your position to do more? What will position you to do more, to have more? What is that? Would that be an extra $250 a week? Would that be an extra $1,000 a month? Would that be an extra $2,000 a month or more? What is that number? Get that in your head. It's simple to do with this system. Okay, so who is this opportunity, perfect for? Well, first of all, everyone, but especially the unemployed, people who are underpaid, you're not making enough money. You can use this opportunity and supplement what you're doing and make more. People who are disabled and want more, college students, because all the lines are digital, perfect for college students, retirees, people who need more income. People who are struggling in this tough economy. Listen, stores are closing like crazy. Our economy is changing. We looking at Bon-Tons closing, Sears closing, Walmarts and Sam's Clubs across the country just overnight, just closing. BJ's, things like that. It's great to position yourself to have streams of income coming in, because you don't want to, like old people say, put your eggs all in one basket. You never know. Always position yourself to have something extra. Okay? People who hate their jobs. I tell this story all the time of how being a digital entrepreneur last year helped me walk away from my job, because I was tired of being mistreated at that job. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to stack enough money that I'm going to walk away from my job. And yes, I still work, but I was able to supplement enough where I was able to make a decision that I wasn't going to be treated like that and walk away from that job. So people who hate their jobs, this is great. All right, people who are tired of all the work at home scam, you want something simple that simply works. This works. Okay, people who want to start living their dream life. All right, who want to stop saying, well, maybe one day, then you need to consider this. All right. All right, so what do you get with each package? So I've already told you that you can come in at the 25 level, the 50 level, or the $100 level. So let me explain what you get. With all the levels, you get these things that are the $25 level. So you get customer support, you get step-by-step instruction, you get basic Craigslist and Facebook training, and 100 high conversion ads. You get this no matter what level, you get these things. Okay. But when you come in at these upgraded levels, I'm going to explain what additional things you get. So when you come in at the $50, which we call the elite package, okay, the $50 is the elite package. You get everything at the $25 level, plus you get elite marketing strategy. So you learn how to really market online, that you could apply these principles to any other business. Let's say you had a different business. You could apply these marketing strategies to any business and win. Instagram domination, teaching you how you can dominate Instagram and be profitable on Instagram. Craigslist domination, showing you how to find prospects that are ready to join you, not chasing people, they're chasing you for the information. Facebook takeover, showing you how to dominate on Facebook, and a closing script that has closed 90% of sales. Okay, now with the $50 package, you also increase your earning potential. Here's why. When you join at the $50 level, you get all these things from the $50 and the $25 level, but you also are able to earn at the $50 and the level that's underneath, which is $25. Okay, so when someone decides that they're going to join you, let's say they decide they're going to join the $50 level, now you are getting $50 commissions instead of $25 commissions. All right, you can only do that when you come in at the $50 level. Now, the $100 Pro package is the go-getter plan. This is for people who, they're like, you know what, I'm ready to really increase my earning potential. I'm ready to do this. All right, you get everything that is seen at the 25 and 50 level, plus you get a YouTube course that easily could be sold for $500 or more, showing you how you could get free leads and dominate YouTube and get people watching you and coming in to join you. Okay, they give you an Instagram 5K formula showing you how to make 5,000 plus a month from Instagram. You get a 5K blueprint showing you how you could take this opportunity and start profiting 5K a month online. Okay, this is the blueprint that I'm actually using right now and growing my income. All right, you get access to a private group. We plug you in. This is not what everybody else gets under the go-getter package. Okay, you get a private group that none of these other packages, they don't get access to it. And trust me, this private group has six-figure strategies because the person who runs the group is a six-figure online earner. If you had to pay her for her coaching, you would pay hundreds to thousands of dollars for her coaching, and she gives it away for free because she believes that people who invest at the $100 level should have access to this coaching, and you get it. Okay, I give people who join me at the $100 level a free coaching call, so you can come in and get access to a free coaching call where we game plan how you're going to use this opportunity and get yourself to whatever income level you decide that you want for yourself. All right, and we'll make an individualized game plan for you. Okay, and then one-on-one mentoring. And what I mean by that is, you know, whenever you need access to me, I am available. All right. In addition to being plugged into the private group, the coaching group, you're plugged into my personal group, which is small and meant for my VIP people, you know, and in that group, I coach you, I help you, offer support, I share my experience and things like that. This level, the go-getters level, is the difference between $100 days and $1,000 days. Okay, because think about it, you know, if you're at the $100 level, you will only need to do a couple of sales, a few sales to get to $1,000 day or $1,000 week, whereas you would need to do several more of those at these lower levels. Okay, now remember, you only pay this one time, you never pay this again. Where could you start a business for $100? Right? So it's, to me, it's a no-brainer. Alright, so I want to show you proof. I've talked about what it is. Let me show you some proof. Here I have my PayPal payments. So here I had a $100 payment come in, and then I had another one come in, $100 payment. I mean, it's awesome to have these payments coming in to your PayPal. Alright. I did another video, and you can see it online, where I had a $300 weekend. So like in 2 days, I made that amount of money. And that's pretty awesome. And it's because I positioned myself at the $100 level. All right, let's see some other people. What are some other people's proof? So let me not block out her face. There we go. So Samantha, she said, I know I look crazy, but I'm still making money though. The notification for my PayPal was going off so much, the nurse asked me what I do. LOL. I just wanted to encourage y'all to stay focused and drive as much traffic to your website and follow the training. You can do this. And she's making money, and she popped out a baby. Crazy. Then we got Amber. Shout out to Amber, okay? She said, hey y'all, I just want to give you a peek at what you can do in 3 days. I think I'm missing a few, but I made roughly $1,500 in 3 days with EPS. And she has all her screenshots here, Okay, so you can see there's a couple $25 payments, but then there's some $100 payments up in here. All right, let's move on. All right, so Guy said, hey guys, I'm just sharing how wonderful the system has been for me. It may not look like much. I'm only a beginner. Now this is a beginner who posted this. And I realize that consistency is the key, so don't give up and keep going. And they got a $100 payment right here. Okay, we have a stay-at-home mom who she made, Megan made $175 in less than 24 hours. All right, and we have another person over here where they just had multiple they're the $25 level, and they got multiple $25 payments. So you know, this really works, and it's so simple. It's a simple copy and paste system. So how can you get started? Okay, what you need is a PayPal account. Okay, a PayPal account. You need to decide, are you going to come in at the $25, $50, or $100 package? Okay, so when it says a premier account, that's what it means, PayPal. You need to decide, are you coming in at the $25, $50, or $100 package? You do need a computer with internet access, and you do need to block out 20 minutes to, I would say more like an hour a day, so that you can commit to this and make it and follow the training and make this work for yourself. But that's so simple. You could even break that hour up into 20 minutes, 20 minutes, 20 minutes, or 10 minutes several times a day. But whatever it is, commit the time to make this work. But it's not a lot of time to get a outcome. You know, if you had to go get a part-time job, or you had to do something like that, that would take a lot more time. Even your travel time, that would take a lot more time. Okay, so not a lot. All right, so that's it. All right, I hope this was of value to you. If you have any questions at all, what I want you to do is to reach out to me. My email address is partnerwithshen@gmail.com. You can email me there. You can reach out to me through social media. You know, there's lots of ways that you can contact me, and I'll make sure that my contact information is readily available for you to reach out to me. If you're not one of my personally sponsored people and you're one of my teammates and you're watching this, I want you to get back to whoever invited you to watch this and get with them. And I want you to make sure that they answer your questions and help you get started, because you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. All right, bye guys.